Honeywell HF8CESWK5 8000 BTU portable air conditioner with dehumidifier and fan, rooms up to 350 sq.ft, black white. Save energy, save money, perfect for targeted spot cooling in rooms up to 350 sq.ft. Save huge electricity bills cooling only the room you need versus whole house central AC. Quick installation, fully packed window kit with adjustable window bracket, insulation foam tape, bonus drain pan and drain tube included, advanced safety features, thermal overload protection for added safety and peace of mind. Dual dust filtration extends product life and performance by keeping internal system clean. ETL certified to meet applicable and strict U.S. safety standards. ISTA 6 certified packaging for advanced product protection during delivery. 1 Year Wty with local U.S. support team ready to help. Easy maintenance filter, Clean Alert and Washable Filter designed to protect from dust and hair to extend product life and performance. Filter cleans easily under a faucet for easy maintenance. Designed for comfort, enjoy simple digital control with 3 fan speeds, 24-hour energy-saving timer and remote control included. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.